Hey guys, Dave Keller here with Market Misbehavior. Um, Will Durant, who is a famous historian and wrote a number of books on human civilization, wrote one of the lessons of history is that nothing is often a good thing to do and always a clever thing to say. Investor Guy Spear said, "Wall Street is rewarded for activity. My shareholders and I are rewarded for inactivity." And the great investor Warren Buffett has said, "The stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient." So what's the consistent theme between those three quotes? The consistent theme is to do nothing, right? Inactivity, and that it's not a bad thing. It's so funny how often that investors think of investing as taking action. You have to do something, right? To be a trader, you have to trade, you have to take action. When in reality, a lot of investing is honestly really boring because you shouldn't be doing a whole lot. If you're doing it right, you shouldn't have to be moving things around a whole lot. You should be putting bets on and then letting them evolve, letting them run, and sticking with what works, which means you shouldn't have to move around so much. I'll never forget one of my analysts years ago was having trouble with performance. Right, the performance of their holdings really wasn't that good in their portfolio. So they took a vacation, went off for a couple of weeks. So what happened? Of course, that 2-week period when they were gone, their performance improved dramatically. And as we looked at what happened afterwards, we realized how much that the turnover, just churning around positions, just trying to make something work, in reality was actually a detriment to good performance. So what I would suggest, my tip for you today is to approach your portfolio, approach your holdings, approach your day with the default setting to be doing nothing, and then look for evidence that compels you to take action. Now, this does not mean to ignore clear evidence, right? It's all about setting a plan in place and then recognizing when those signals emerge. Where we run into problems is if we try to take action just for action's sake, right? Because more often than not, that ends up not really helping our performance, usually ends up hurting us in the long run. If this sort of thinking of your investment process and mental states is of interest to you, I hope you'll check out some of the other videos that I've created on the Market Misbehavior channel. Thanks so much.